Welcome to our food and cooking lesson. Today we will explore vocabulary, phrases and cooking methods in English. Section number 1. Let's start with the most common ingredients. Some examples are vegetables like carrots and broccoli, fruits like apples and bananas, grains like rice and pasta, proteins like chicken and beans, and dairy products like milk and cheese. Next, let's talk about cooking methods. We have boiling, frying, baking, grilling and steaming. Each method changes the taste and texture of the food. Below are some common phrases used when talking about food. For example, can you pass me the salt? Thanks for waiting. Here is your pizza. What a delight!
It really is like that. Now let's look at some cooking tips. Always read the recipe before starting.
Prepare the ingredients first. And don't be afraid to experiment. It's also a good idea to taste the food while cooking to adjust the flavors. Thanks for watching the video. Practice these words and phrases on your culinary adventures. Until next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons.